In this video, I'm going to show you how I trade crypto and Forex on the same platform. Today we're going to take a look at PrimeXBT, which is my favorite exchange. This is where I take all my Bitcoin trades, all my Ethereum trades and other altcoins, including Forex, commodities and indices. If you are new to the channel, my name is Jonatan, aka Libs42, and if you like trading educational content centered around a simple approach to technical analysis, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to take your trading to the next level. First, what you have to do obviously is to fund the account. So let's say you have a new PrimeXBT account, and by the way, you have a link in the description below. You can sign up using that link, and I got some awesome promo codes for you. So you can press deposit right here, but before you press deposit, you want to go to promo codes and you want to put in, I recommend using the USDT right here. You want to put in Libs42. Check this out, Libs42, activate. So what happens is when you activate this one, you will get up to 7k USD deposit bonus, and you can also write Libs40, what is it, Libs 25 off. If you write that in and activate, you will get a 25% discount on all your fees. Let's say you have funded your account now with USDT, you've used the promo code with the 7k USD bonus, and you've also used the 25% discount on fees. What you want to do now is you want to press trade, you want to go to margin USDT right here, go to account, you want to fund the trading account with the money from the wallet. So you fund the account right here and you're all set. Let's take a look at the actual order placements right here. This is where I'm getting a lot of questions, right? Because I always have 3 different TPs on my setups, and I'm going to show you exactly how I set all of that up. Basically, you have to open 3 different positions on the same pair, and it's not really that complicated as it sounds. You go to margin USDT right here. We want to trade this Euro NCD setup, and I'm going to be placing all the orders to make sure that everything is correctly input here. This is the trade, Euro NCD. We go to PrimeXBT right here, Euro NCD. It brings up the Euro NCD chart right here. Now, what we want to do is, first of all, you see in this account right here, we have the equity at around 11.5k. So what we have to do first is, first, we want to make sure to calculate the risk per trade. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I risk 1% on all my trades. And here's the fun part, math, risk management. Very important, maybe not that fun, but very important. All right, so what is the account balance in the PrimeXBT account? It's 11.5k USD. So what we do here is we have account balance 11.5k. Now 1% of the account balance is $115, right? So the risk on this trade right here is going to be 115 USD. Now we see right here that we have TP1 is going to be 25% TP. I'm going to be exiting 25% of the position at TP1, which is the first one right here. And at TP2, I'm going to be exiting another 25%. And at that TP3, I'm going to be exiting 50%. Now, because of the fact that you don't have automatic TPs on PrimeXBT, you have to open 3 separate positions for this trade. One position where you're going to TP at this level, that's going to be 25% of the position. The next TP obviously going to be 25% of the position, and the last TP is going to be 50% of the position. So from doing this super advanced calculations right here, we have gotten the results that TP1 and 2 is going to be a risk of 29. We're going to put 30 here just to make it easier to calculate and have even numbers. So for this TP1 and TP2, we're going to be risking 30 USD, and TP3, we're going to be risking 60 USD. Now, how does that actually look when placing the order? So this is how it works, right? We're going to be buying Euro NCD here with this setup right here. Basically, the idea is to enter buy orders on the retest of this 50% fib right here. So we're going to PrimeXBT, we'll press buy. We're going to be using a limit buy order, right? Limit buy. And we're going to be using the entry price from the setup in trading view, copy, paste it right here, select that one, press stop loss. We're going to be using the stop loss, press take profit, and we're going to be selecting profit number 1, TP1, right? And we're going to be using the same numbers from TradingView because it's very, very similar to the prices in PrimeXBT when it comes to Forex. So right here you see that the projected loss in USDT for this position is going to be $92. So we're going to be seeing what's the we're going to be risking 30, so it's obviously way too much. So what we do is we lower the amount right here. So let's do 10k. That's closer, right? 52. So right here we can say we're going to be lowering that to 7. 36, we do 5. We're getting closer. Let's do 6. So that's good. 31, right? We can lower this even more like this. 30, right? So this position right here is going to be an amount of 5.7k, right? That's going to be the size of this position. Now we're going to do the exact same thing again. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to copy the limit price because the limit buy price is going to be the same. So we press send order, buy once again. You see it's going to be the same here, 5.7k, limit buy order, buy, paste the limit price that we've just copied, press stop loss once again, copy the stop loss from TradingView, and now instead of using TP1 we're going to be using TP2. Very simple, just like this. Same position, different TPs, same entry, same stop loss, we're risking the same amount. And now for the third position for TP3, we obviously have to double this amount right here because remember this is 25% and now we want to have 1/3 and last position for 50. So it's going to be that one times 2, which is 11,400, right? Now the limit buys, everything is going to be the same. So we copy entry price, paste that one. We're going to copy the stop loss price, paste that one in here, and then we're going to be copying the price of the last TP, which is this one right here. So as you can see right here, we now have a projected loss of this position at 60 and the other ones are going to be 30. So that brings us to a complete risk per trade on $120 on this trade. And you can see right here 1% of this account is 115. Remember we used even numbers just to make it a little bit easier, so it's a little bit too high of a risk. Now if you want to be perfect, you obviously go with this figure right here. All right, that's it. That's basically it. That's how I trade on PrimeXBT and how I divide up my position in 3 different positions with 3 different take profits. Now it might seem a little bit complicated, but as a swing trader where I take 1 to 5 trades every week, it's not really that demanding. It doesn't really take that much time, and it's a very efficient way of doing it. And obviously very important to remember is that nothing on this channel is financial advice. It's all for informational and educational purposes. And also be careful because PrimeXBT, you can use very, very high leverage, right? So I highly recommend that you think about your risk per trade. Keep it low. I'm always recommending 1% per trade, but if you're starting out and you started live trading, maybe go down to 0.25% per trade. Remember to put in that stop loss and then use a too big of a position because they offer very high leverage. I think they offer as much as 100 times leverage, and it's cross leverage, or your whole account is leveraged. So be careful, right? You can risk your whole account and you might lose it all if you're not careful with the risk management. So remember to hit that stop loss button and check the projected loss in USDT and make sure that that never goes above 1% of your account. All right, guys, that's it. That's the video. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.